Let's get it.
I get nuts.
What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T Hobbs. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. Let me mute you in the Discord.
I already did that. I gotta put on my hood, bro. It's cold as hell in this house.
Oh no, it's nice. It's ambient temperatures over here. Real ambient temperatures.
Not over here. That.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for giving us a little bit of your time. We appreciate each and every last one of you guys stopping by the shop. My name is T Hobbs, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother?
What's up? Welcome to Breakfast Club, everybody. The Breakfast Club of Trading.
Oh, the Breakfast Club of Trading. I was like, wait, what?
Shut up, Valdez.
Yeah, just keep it.
Yo.
Every time he dabbles,
it's Tuesday.
Yeah, there it goes. Yep. All right. Now we got that lame ass shit out the way. Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys enjoyed your trading day yesterday. It was pretty solid here in the shop yesterday. We managed risk pretty well, took some pretty good trades, and we're trying to look to repeat that on the day. As you guys know, every single morning we go over the pre-market plan, but before we do, we got to get the cringy shit out of the way. So if you don't want to be cringed out, just turn the volume down because I'm about to cringe you out. If there's three ways you can support the channel, right? First thing you can do is free. Just tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn those notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Number two, go watch the videos, right? Like go check out the videos because Justin does a lot of videos breaking down prop firms, giving you educations on prop firms, telling you the do's and don'ts about prop firms. But in the description of those videos, just like scrolling below here, is a discount code or an affiliate code that you can plug in to each and every prop firm that you use. The shop benefits from that because when you use the code, it costs you nothing extra, but we get a little bit of a kickback for it. It helps us get paid for the free shit we do for y'all every single day. Last but not least, if you like to support us even further, you like the way we trade, you enjoy our education, you love seeing our journey, and you want to lock in prices before they go higher, the Discord link is in the description down below. The Discord is $40 per month and $15 per week just to check us out. That being said, let's get back to the grind. Let's get back to the business of trading these markets. We're going to start with the trading plan on the day. But first, we're going to talk about the damn news on the day. All right. Be careful out in these streets because, you know, Mr. Purple Tie himself is out here to wreck the counts. So right at 9:30, right at market open, Jerome Powell is speaking. Right after that is the JOLTS report, right? So I don't know which one of these we should be more afraid of. I'm not afraid of either one. I'm just talking shit. But at the same time, like you should be aware that these things are going to happen and then, you know, plan your trading day accordingly. So we'll start with the NASDAQ. I'll break down kind of my macro view and, you know, how I'm viewing things. And then we'll go from there. So on the 4 hour, I know everybody's bearish because they see this head and shoulders, but you should probably zoom out and see the fact that we're inside of a bullish range, right? So can the bears take over? Yeah, but they just haven't shown that they have enough strength to do anything. So do I trust them? No, not at all. Not yet. All right. So my macro plan, the current conditions are we're ranging inside of a bearish retracement, not a bearish trend. Okay. We're bearish below 20,023, right? We're bullish above 19,815. Macro, the overnight session again brought a sell-off as buyers were unable to bring a new high. We are also not making new lows, right? So the market is range bound with bullish intent. As long as the VIX remains at its lows, which it pretty much is, today especially, I will look to long the lows and short the highs only until the market proves it can go lower or higher. Targets will be shortened until the market shows it can go lower or higher. So what I mean by that is yesterday we had a nice clean day. Like we went up nicely, we went down nicely. And a lot of people make easy money when things like that happens, right? And what I've just noticed is every time we get an easy money day, it's followed by a, damn, I hate the price action. I blew my account, Like, I'm just not trying to fall into that trap, right? I'm not trying to fall into that trap at all. So I'm just going to lower my profit targets on the day to something that's reasonable that the market has already done, right? As opposed to targeting, you know, the moon, so to speak. All right. So in regards to my actual plan, I have this little range that I view the market in. It's called the chessboard. If you want to learn more about it, go ahead and join that Discord, right? So we're at the low of the chessboard here. So I'm looking for buyers to step up, which they already have. But if we break out of this chessboard to the downside, I'm looking to pick buyers up at the extremes here. So look for buyers to defend 85250 through 72975. And we can look to long the market targeting 94475 through 99675. And then the previous day high, right? To the bearish side, I'm looking to short week rallies at the top of the range. So that's going to sit at 996 through 024. And then we can look to target this extreme down here to the 4 hours previous day low and 4 hour previous day low demand at 852 through 728. Understand, however, this is going to be lower quality because this high did not do its job, right? This high did not bring us a new low. So this low is now bringing us a new high, a higher low, and now potentially putting in a higher high. So be careful when looking to short this, right? You know how I feel. Like if the shit don't look aggressive, then I just catch the next train, right? Which is more like the bullish train, right? So bearish, another bearish opportunity right here. And that's more so if we break below yesterday's low. So I'm looking to play a break and retest below 81525, which is yesterday's low. And I want to look to target 50% of the CPI candle, which is right here, 620, and then 4 hour demand at 19536. Now, I didn't write this, nor did I talk about it, but the same can be said for the bullish case above, up here, right? Just like we can short a break and retest, we can long a break and retest above previous day high, which is going to tell me the market is ready to come out of this trend and look to target the 304 area that I've been trying to target all week so I could kill one of my Discord members' paper trade. So that is the plan for the NASDAQ. Let's jump over to ES and then we'll break down the plan for ES. All right. So same type of thesis here, except the ES was just a little lower and it hadn't tapped into this extreme yesterday like NQ did. Today, it finished the job. It tapped back into the extreme. So I was looking for buyers to defend 550325 through 5489, but it was already doing that as I was writing my plan. So I wasn't ready to trade. I wasn't going to jump in anything to trade. So I just bounced. I was like, all right, cool. Like I knew that was the area that I wanted to trade. I just missed the train. So the pickup was right here at 5503. And the target for me would be first true day at 5521.75. And then London's high at 5527.75. The opposite is true because we are in a range and we haven't proven to get above the range. So I want to look to be bearish and short week rallies at the top of the range from 5518 to 5528, and then look to target the extreme 4 hour demand at 5503 through 5489. Again, same thesis above and below. Look for break and retest below previous day low. And then here, look for break and retest of this range to potentially take the market higher as we start to trade higher. So those are my thoughts on NQ and ES. Justin, if you want to give your additional thesis and how you're viewing the market as well, floor is yours, good sir.
No, not really. No, I'm playing. It's actually exactly the same. Like I don't really have anything to add because I see it exactly the same way. I'm bullish as long as the market can on NQ, as long as the market can get above 55.15 on ES, I'm bullish on it. I just am waiting for a pullback. My only issue with the pullback though is we kind of already got it in the area that I was looking to get the pullback in. But I think we could come back down here, retest this one more time, maybe break a little bit lower, and then end up heading higher. So I'm going to be watching that closely. We're looking really, really bullish on ES. I love whenever we get into a range, we break the range and then come back into the range. It's always a good sign to be bullish there. We did the same thing on NQ, and NQ's already met my prerequisite to go long. And since NQ's already met it, then ES has met it too, pretty much. It's the way I'm kind of viewing things. The only thing that I really have for a target right now is 55.24. It's a 45-minute supply zone. It basically coincides with the same chessboard that Hobbs has drawn over here at 991. I think is like kind of the top end of it, or it could, your chessboard might be a little bit higher up. But
yeah, I think we're gonna 87 through 025.
Okay, so then, yeah, we're like right there. I think we're gonna break through this though, to be completely honest with everybody. But it was just kind of like a first stop for me, where I would look to potentially take some profit up, just because this is the last high that brought the lowest low. So I would just be I'd be a little bit weary here, but I still think we're gonna break through all of this. And it's basically the same thing on ES. The only reason why I like ES a little bit more is because ES has a little bit more room to profit on this, which is another reason why I think NQ is going to blast right through this, because ES has so much more space to get up here. If ES is going to rally 10 points, NQ is going to rally at least 50, right? And 50 points from here puts us, in the 21. So I think we're going to either break this or at least get to the high before we start to struggle. So that's kind of where I'm at with the market. I have the same exact thesis, same exact areas. Everything is the same. So yeah, I can't really add anything to it. So
look at Tesla's candle in the pre-market.
Let's look at, hold up. Let me go.
What the hell is going on with Tesla?
If Tesla's ripping, then it's probably a good indication that the market's about to go ham. I already see the thing is up. Let me change. Oops. Change this to extended.
Tesla just got Tesla just got a $15 candle to the upside in the pre-market. So I don't know what's that about, but the rest of the market looks pretty bearish though. Nvidia's selling down and Microsoft is rejecting its all-time high from yesterday. So people are definitely taking profits to start the day. And then Apple's starting to push back up. So gold's moving back to the upside. I'm going to be watching the Dow closely as well today. I'm looking to potentially take longs on the Dow. If we can just change character, we're every time we try to change character, it seems like we just keep getting met with so much resistance. Like the bears really are here to defend the day. So if that's the case, then I'm just gonna, be patient and wait.
Yeah. Plus, like you
Tesla sales. What's up with Tesla? Oh, you mean you're looking to sell on? Bro, Tesla's up $16 in the pre-market. What the fuck is happening with Tesla today? What don't I know? Is the robo-taxi out? Every time it happens, I always say the robo-taxi out, because I feel like
probably
when the robo-taxi comes out, that's when, Kevin dropped a video last night too. I didn't watch it, but it said something about Tesla was going to go crazy today. Now it's up almost $20 in the pre-market. So yes, I missed that boat.
The delivery. That's what he meant by sales.
Sales.
The delivery numbers.
Damn, David, be more specific. Tesla sales. What? Okay, got you. Their sales report is out.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. The Q2 delivery expectations are coming out.
Gotcha.
And apparently they came. They lowered their expectations, so obviously they probably beat the expectations if they lowered them. So I don't know. Sounds like market manipulation to me. Call Nancy Pelosi. I bet you she's long on now.
Kevin been long. Kevin been long since the hundreds. That boy had been holding these Tesla calls.
Yeah,
I think he sold his shares, but he definitely loving Tesla right now. NQ is out of here.
I mean, honestly, if you long anything in this market, if you just long it and then you do a leap, you're probably gonna win at some point. Like, could you imagine if you had leaped for a year Nvidia calls? You'd be so rich right now. Oh my god,
bro! Like renting.
You'd be so.
I think that's the reason why NQ's going crazy, because Tesla's going crazy.
Yep. Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, Tesla's going crazy right now.
But hopefully Tesla will sell down at open, have a little bit of profit taken, and bring the indices down with it. Hopefully.
You remember the Tesla days when we used to wait for pullbacks and that motherfucker would just never pull back? You'd be like, bro, I just need this thing to come down a little bit. Yeah, they pumping. Tesla's up almost $20, bro. This is crazy.
So I just read that Powell is in Portugal speaking. So
he's not in this country.
I told you he was going to be outside the country. I told you that's why they probably chose 9:30, because in Portugal, I bet you it's like fucking.
Justin, I said it yesterday. It says it on Forex that he's not in the country.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Yeah, anytime he's speaking at some weird hour, it's most likely because he's not in the country. It's not like It's not like he's purposely manipulating the market or anything.
I told about it. Like, he always picks 930. He's trying to manipulate. I'm like, no, bro, he's probably not in the country. Told you.
I mean, I'm sure they're doing it on purpose. I mean, because look, I'm sure they're doing it on purpose because he clearly could have spoke a different time. I don't know, but well, yeah, that's what I mean. Like he clearly could have done it a different time. Like he could have done it. He could have done it pre-market. He could have done it anytime. But
well, it's 2:17 p.m. right now in Portugal, so it's in the afternoon. So, I mean, he could have.
Nope.
But you're also
He
assuming
said, nope.
You're also assuming that he controls like what time he's going to be speaking too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, he does. Like, he don't control his schedule. They don't gotta confirm with his team. Come on, man. This is what. Yeah, I was about to say that motherfucker pick. You best believe he controls. Yeah, you best believe he controls his schedule. Yeah, absolutely. Nah.
Oh my God. Not even Superman, huh?
That man moved markets, bro. Period. It is. Hey, I show up with a black tie. I say good afternoon, and they get scared out of their bones.
One day when Powell, right before Powell retires, he needs to be like, yeah, so the market is shit. It should be dumped. It's way too high. Just watch the market just.
Yeah, look, low key, the minute Trump retires or Trump becomes president, he should just come out and dump the market and be like, well, I know I'm fired, right? So like, let me leave. Right? Let me leave this shit on a hot note. Yeah. I've been lying to y'all forever. And you know what? Yeah, the purple tie does mean sell.
Yeah. Everybody would go crazy.
Purple tie. Yeah, Mr. Purple Tie himself is at open, guys. So just be careful in these streets. It ain't safe.
It ain't safe. It really ain't safe today.
We got my man. Chicago Shine in the building. Welcome to the shop, brother. Appreciate you for stopping by this morning. Sponsored member of the Discord. We appreciate you, man. Hopefully you've been watching some of the videos, soaking up as much information as possible. Get comfortable in the shop. If you need a little bit of edge up, you need some things you want to talk about, things you want to discuss, please let us know. Just trying to help you along your journey, man, as much as possible. Gold is going insane. I should have took longs on gold.
You literally just said I don't trade gold in New York session.
Well, you know I say that, but then if it goes yard, the first thing I'm going to do is complain that I should have taken it long. Like, because why not? I shorted last night, still have one runner left. You better get out of it. Yeah, shorts look good last night. I got up and started charting, but yeah, I didn't feel like trading. I was like eating strawberries and yogurt. I slept so good yesterday. Like, I went to bed after the market review and I didn't wake up until 10 o'clock at night. I was knocked out. Zonk mode. All right. We have
liftoff.
9 minutes to lift off. Motherfucking NQ is gone. I'm sure Tesla's still ripping. Let me see.
Yes, it's over here struggling.
Yeah, because it's Tesla that's pushing NQ. Dow looks like it's about to take a dump too.
Yeah, everything else is
everything else looks weak.
It's just holding below its price from yesterday, but yeah, Tessie is making things go.
NQ said, "Yeah, we out of here, bro. We out of here, baby."
Yeah, that was the pullback down there. That pullback was nasty.
I do like this double bottom setup on the Dow though. It doesn't look strong here at these lows.
Here goes
I'm
ES
so
breaking,
jealous of gold.
breaking above. It's gonna wait
So
for a
jealous
pullback
of
on
gold.
ES.
Ooh,
okay, yeah, it's okay, buyers. I see you.
Justice having one of those days again, guys. Just excuse him.
I love seeing ES break out right here because I know when we pull back to 55.11.
Makai said, "Nah, I'll leave it. I think we coming down." All right. You've been warned.
I guess it depends on where you got in though.
He said break even at 20,040. So that means he got in well into the Tokyo session. So
oh yeah, I think you could be okay right now, but it ain't looking.
You're not gonna be okay. Don't listen to Justice. You're not gonna be okay. Take your breath.
Look, he's got a chance. He's got a chance. It could happen. I'm just saying. It could happen.
Run me that liquidity, Micaiah. Well, not me. I'm not in the trade, but yeah.
It can happen. It can happen. I mean, is it looking pretty right now? No, but you got room. You know what I'm
all I
saying?
can say is stick to your analysis. But my analysis says TikTok.
Look,
TikTok. If my analysis is right, yeah, you gonna borrow time right now.
Look, Micaiah, if we get above 2017, 2016, then yeah, you're dead in the water. But right now, you're potentially okay. You're potentially okay.
You see how we coming up big?
I see, but I'm trying to give the man hope, okay? He said, I don't care. I already made my money. It's a runner. Yeah, but you could make more money off that runner instead of letting it go all the way back to
Mobako, good morning. How are you? Haven't seen you in here before. Good morning. Good morning.
Are you wait, this is going to sound bad, but I got to ask, are you from Africa? I just want to know. This sounds African to me. I'm just asking. Just wondering.
Ask, are you from Africa?
Mobako sounds.
Why is that a necessary question?
Because I'm curious and I want to know. And you don't got to answer.
I don't feel like you have to ask that question. I feel like you want to ask that question.
I did want to ask it.
Good morning, Chicago Shine. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
I mean, I haven't seen North African Drake in a while. I had to ask. I couldn't help myself.
Okay.
It's not my fault. I mean, it is, but whatever.
We are all from Africa.
Yes, that is true, Doc. That's true. But you know what
Chicago.
I mean.
I'm just saying. But yes, you are correct. I agree. Thanks for the invite, fella. Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. Take full advantage of it, man. Like I said, don't squander the opportunity. In my opinion, we have some really quality traders in there, and then we have some really quality information in there as well. So I would say take advantage of it as much as possible, man. Definitely.
All right, come back down. You've done your job. Now retrace. You did your job, Bulls. Now come back down and pick a brother up. Where is North African Drake at? I need to ask him about when his next hit's coming out.
Bruh, freaking NQ is just so impressive right now. I'm so sad I missed that entry. God dang.
Yeah, I'm gonna need this has to reject and come back down now. Come on.
Here comes the Dow. Here comes the Dow. Here comes the Dow. Oof, 5-minute Dow looking bullish. See what happens. We have roughly about 4 minutes until the open, which means we have 4 minutes into the death of the market. So clutch your pearls. Clutch your pearls. There's a beautiful head and shoulders on the 4-hour. Oh, we went over it. I see it.
Yeah.
But again, I feel like that shit is clickbait. I told Justin the same thing. I said, yeah, it's a beautiful 4-hour head and shoulders. I said, but what people not paying attention to, because every time we start to sell off, everybody sees the same thing. Look, I see what y'all see because I see it too. But again, zoom out just a little bit more and realize that this is just a range. Is this range bullish or bearish? It's a bullish range because it's being supported by the CPI candle. So this is the high, this is the low. So even though we have this head and shoulders right here, which is what you guys are talking about, right? I'm not saying that it can't play out. I'm just saying the likelihood of it playing out with the VIX being at its low and the market has already defended this low. Now we're in a new trend, right? This is now the low, right? That brought this new high, right? And now this is the higher low that's going to try to put in a new high.
Yeah.
Right. So when you guys are looking at this head and shoulders, like that's half the battle, but you got to look at it from the bullish standpoint too, right? Either one of them can work out, but which one is higher probability? It's more likely to me if nothing's changed in the market, i.e. the VIX hasn't gotten, aggressive, you know what I mean? Like the stocks aren't getting selly. Like I'm just going to bet on the bulls. If I'm wrong, I'll be wrong with the stronger party. Right. So that's the way I look at it.
Yeah, so I was talking to Discord about that. That was slipped. But I was talking to Discord about that this morning.
Buy it down.
My problem is that both of the instruments are making head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders, but I got to go with what's happening now. What's happening now is the inverse head and shoulders. So I'd much rather play the inverse head and shoulders back to the upside. And then if we come back up there and we deny it, then yeah, that's fine. I'll play the downside too. But I like you played the potential part of the shoulder. So you should have been out down at the lows, and then you could look to long the market back up to play that second part of the shoulder. So
yeah, or just be out at the shoulder, right? Like out again, your thesis could be correct as well. Like the market's unpredictable like that. I'm just following what the market has shown me. And the market, although it's selling off aggressive, that's actually the opposite of what I want to see to trade it. I would rather see the market sell off and build structure, right? As opposed to selling off aggressively. All right, I'm long on the Dow here, guys. This thing's gone. This thing is out of here. Yeah, the Dow's going for it. I haven't been over here before. I've traded the Dow once before. Man, I got a late entry because I was running my mouth. I should have took it. Yeah, I should have took it at 390. I didn't get in until 413. So my stops are now at that entry, which is where I wanted my entry to be. But I was running my mouth.
Yeah, who's gonna? Well,
I wanted it at 390 so bad, but I was running my mouth. So yeah, I'm not worried about it. If it grows legs, it'll go. Yeah. Yeah, if it decides it's ready to go, it's gonna go. So. Yeah, but I like the inside of that macro. Go ahead, Jay. Sorry.
For me, I'm hoping we get a pullback back into this structure now that we're above, so I can take the market long. That's what I'm banking on here. We'll see. The market might stand a little bit still until Powell actually speaks, but if we come back into my area, I'm definitely looking to take this market long.
You think you could do this to me?
I'll find me a little $200. I think what I'm hoping to see, I'm hoping that like when Powell comes onto the stage or starts to open up his mouth, we'll dump a little bit, but it doesn't look like we're trying to right now. Looks like these bulls are continuing to try to buy. They just hide their size right there? The fuck? Oh no. Okay. So it'd be great to get a really aggressive flush. Have them make the market look bearish and then relax. Oh, you're long. My bad.
Relax with
Look,
your
I just want the pullback. We're not getting it. Just a quick little flush.
I'm locking in profit right there anyway. So I'm not locking in profit, but I'm going to break even just because we're struggling at these highs, and I'm in really low. Oh, never mind. Damn. Oh my God. Come on now. Keep pushing. Keep going. Keep going. Wow. New phone.
Like
who
ES is out of here. Yeah, ES is
Yo,
out of
NQ
here.
just took the fuck off.
Yeah,
oh my God. Everything's off my screen. What the hell? Gee.
All right, everything is coming up.
All right, we're printing.
Kaya?
We're printing. Yeah, it's probably gonna be frozen for a second because the amount of buying that just hit the market is nuts.
Micaiah?
Let me know if it becomes unfrozen.
All right, we're at my 45-minute demand zone. I do not expect this thing to hold. One minute to news, he trades. What? Oh, you mean how 1 minute before he comes on, he puts in a long and then just starts talking like, yeah, I know about to pump this up.
Yeah, I know about to dump the shit out this shit. So all right, let's lock in some profit here with
that seller just got 8 up. Good Lord, have mercies. Good Lord, have mercies.
Same shit, different day, babes.
What a candle. What a candle.
Let's go. All right, I'm gonna lock in about 60 ticks here, about $300 to start the day. Can't be mad at that. Just trailing tight here because I don't know how the market's gonna react. Jesus Christ, this candle is nuts. Okay, Dow, let's go. Feed the kid, feed the hungry children. Let's
feed
go.
The hungry children.
Above midnight, above settlement. Dow. Locking in more profit here, guys. Again, this was the plan to trade the Dow this morning. So let's go. Locking in another $400 right there. Up about 82 ticks right now. Risking about another 10 ticks of profit. If the market wants to take us out, we'll take that. All right, done right there. Out for $400. There we go. All done. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's a clean trade to start the morning. Nice little $400 banger right there. Dow is the new bay.
Dow is the new bay.
That was just 1 mini. That was 1 mini. Yeah, because I didn't want to trade nothing large because, again, I had a good idea that we were going to go to settlement. But you know how it is, like you start trading a new instrument, like you get a little, like, you know what I mean? Like I wanted to put on 2 minis, but I froze a little bit. I was like, you know what, to protect myself, right? Like, yeah, clean. The whole candle, baby. Give me all of that shit. Give me all of that shit. YM is Bay. YM.
Yeah, on ES, we're rejecting my level. But we're so bullish. That was such a bullish candle. And we're back in bullish character that I want to see it just come back down, retest, and then look to take the market higher. I'm looking for this low. We got a kind of a low volume node between 20 and 16 that I'm watching. Plus that 16 retest will be the top of that range. We might not get it though, but it looks like we want to reject down here. I'm just hoping we don't reject and come all the way back down and break all of this. Putting that lower high. That candle, that 5-minute candle is super bullish. And it looks like we're holding this shit too.
Yeah, this shit bullish. What? We take out Micaiah yet? Says he want to fucking hold to break even.
It's like 20 points away on.
Missed him by 2 points. 2 points. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep holding that shit. Keep holding that shit.
Here come these bulls on ES about to break out.
Woo!
Jesus.
Nah, motherfucking Jerome set the market this morning, baby. You have to go right from the plan, baby. Come on, tell me. I want to see them screenshots. Somebody got to be reading this plan, man. I'm telling you, the plan is sauce this morning, y'all. Absolute fucking sauce. Look at this shit go. Y'all still bearish? Yeah, okay. Damn. These motherfucking bulls, bro. They different. They built different. Come get me in Q. I don't think I want to short no more. Yeah, I don't think so. yo, oh shit, my man, Chicago Sean just came in the shop 1 day in. He said, I just funded my account with that push. Let's go. Might take the high today. Oh yeah, we might come for it today. That Monday or Tuesday usually puts that high or low in. So I think Monday was probably the low of the week. That low that came in yesterday. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it, baby. I'm reserved to just kind of chill until we come down, maybe back into the 1050 macro. I mean 950 macro. I took the opening trade. That might have been the scalp, so I'd love to see this kind of sweep down. But I mean, these bulls look angry, bro. Angry.
Yeah. On ES that we swept up, we got some really weird like selling activity up at these highs right here. Very, very weird, but we're continuing to buy. So, man, yeah, these bulls are not playing right now.
Yeah, Murderville, bro, Murderville. I'm loving the way that I managed that trade. I don't even care if this thing goes up another 300 points because I know it's coming back. You did, and when it comes back, we're gonna be on that ass again. No diddy. Also, the VIX is at 37 right now. Just throwing it out there. The VIX has been my number one indicator. And again, when everybody starts talking that bearish shit, I just look at the VIX and I'm like, nope, you're wrong. And I don't mean it to be a dick. I'm just like, the market keeps showing us the same movie and we keep trying to watch a different series, right? Like the market is bullish and it is very bullish. So if you want to wake up and keep shorting this shit and holding it and hoping for something that's never happened since October, which is we break a significant low, hey man, go ahead, baby, go ahead. Man, I will get long.
Ripping.
This thing is sending, absolutely sending. How many points was that? I don't even know how many points I locked in. Let me look at my executions here.
ES is already up 15 points, and still going. We about to take out this other high right here.
It was just 81 points to start the day. No big deal. Let's get it. Shee. For all you execution watchers out there, there you go.
There is a weird amount of selling going on, but the market is still rallying. This almost looks like Monday the 17th, where like every time the buyers got into the market, or every time the sellers got into the market,
it looks like
got absorbed.
You know, yeah, it looks like last Monday, and then Tuesday became the consolidation day. Instead, this Monday became the consolidation day, and Tuesday is the moonshot. You know, because don't forget we got JOLTS in freaking 29 minutes, so that should bring us back down, hopefully, and then I can look to get another entry here because damn, that was delicious. Thank you, the Dow. Hey, is the Bookmap unfrozen, Mike? Y'all better be printing, bro. I know y'all probably being patient with the Jerome Powell, but the Dow was in a spot that I could not deny. It was the only one left that was at the low and hadn't taken off yet. Jesus fuck. Yo, what is this dude saying?
Who knows?
Yo. Nvidia is about to catch a body, bro. Oh my God. NQ. Yo, only question left now is Valdez still in his paper trade? That's the only question left. They about to baptize that fucking paper trade today, bro. Lord have mercy. Great job, fellas, playing to PMH in NQ. What's PMH?
Pre-market high.
Pre-market high? Gotcha. Yeah, I traded into settlement on the Dow at 39,512, and then I trailed into settlement. We rejected settlement right away, so I just took profit a little bit lower than settlement. I was targeting daily fib, but I had my eye on settlement to see what we're gonna do. If I had two contracts, I would have just took one off right there. Afternoon high. Why do you call it PMH then? GC took off too. Yeah, I got it right here, bro. GC gone. Everything's going on my screen, bro. Everything. 19,950.
Yeah, that is weird to call that. Why do
you call? What's the abbreviation PMH for afternoon high? What does that mean? Or is it pre-market high? You're just referring to it as the afternoon from yesterday at the close of the market. That's the only thing I can think of.
No. CIC, everybody in the D, come follow me.
Yeah, they did get you, Makai. They got you. It's all good, all right, brother. PM. So why do you say PM? Oh, PM high, like the PM afternoon, session high.
Yeah.
That's so confusing, Ibom.
That's confusing. What time do you what time like, oh, it's just like any time in the afternoon? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I guess. Because that's technically the evening too. So again, it's a lot to throw me off, but that's okay. I get it now. You shorted after they swept the high. You shorted what? Which one of these instruments do you get short on? Which one, Micaiah? You telling yourself right now.
I'm short too, Micaiah. No, I'm playing. I'm not.
No, he's not. I will fucking. If he took it on, like if you shorted YM, you good.
I mean, hey, ES is having a pretty bearish 5-minute candle right here, but I mean the market still wants to go up. Right, I'm not touching this thing short.
Hey, not for my blood. Y'all can short this shit all you want to. Everything that goes short, I'm just looking for pullbacks to go long. That's it. That's it. He shorted at previous day high, so 77. Ran that shit. They about to run that shit. Nope. I will wait. That was the run of London's high, so we were. No, it's not. I ain't taking that shit. Not in my playbook. Not in my playbook. Bro, the market just. Bro, like that's what I was about to say. What part of your trading strategy tells you it's time to get short right now? I don't know. I think he only shorted it because we swept previous day high. I don't think there's any other reason to short it, right? Other than the area and a feeling. That ain't enough when these bulls are taking over for me. That ain't gonna work for me, bro. Yeah, that ain't gonna work for me. I'm like, okay. Hey. Well, what's your stop loss, Micaiah? Because I'm pretty sure they're about to run that shit. He said I already scalped it and made runners. For what? What do you need runners on this short for? Like, I don't understand. Like, where's your runners at? Like, all the runners are dead right now. They're all underwater right now. Cool. Let's go, iBomb. My man, iBomb was long at 950. He closed 20,085 for 130 points. Ooh. Let's go, family. Let's get it. Explosive move up too fast. Yeah, I told you. I told you to get out the way, Micaiah. Don't try to go short just to short me. Like, I don't control this shit. But I'm telling you right now, these bulls are angry. For whatever reason, they absorbed enough liquidity, and now they're trying to squeeze people out. This was a squeeze I wanted to happen yesterday. We just never got it. We sold down further, and now we're looking to take yesterday's high. Yeah, it's all good, bro. It's all good. And then shout out to our man Chicago Sean with the fucking dynamic entry. 9928, brother. Great fucking entry. Way to push back into, way to get back off the couch from last Friday. So just make sure you're trading the same way, man. Like keep your size manageable, right? And just continue to trade the same way, brother. I'm not liking what the Dow doing, so I'm going to switch to my other tab and look at the NASDAQ. I'm going to be looking for pullbacks on the NASDAQ now. The Dow is kind of acting like a little BIH. So it's all about the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, you the new boo, baby. I ain't never left you, G. You know what I'm saying? It's always been about you, brother. Always. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're coming into. Remember, we got news here. So the news is either going to continue this liftoff.
Nothing. You were lagging.
Oh, am I lagging? My bad.
You were.
I was saying that we're coming into this macro, this next macro. So I want to see what we do here. I want to see an aggressive pullback back into this fair value gap at 930 to look to take the market long on NQ somewhere around 20,003. There's no real structural gap in price though, so that's a little concerning. And we could just continue to rally, and if we do, man, maybe come back and retest the daily fib at 20,023. Let me see. Oh yeah, perfect. Thank you. I like that. Very nice 15-minute. Yep. It probably is going to line up with my daily fib too.
Well, we are in 45-minute supply right now, so we might look to sell down here.
I
mean,
yeah, no, I expect us to sell down. I want us to sell down so I can pick the market back up. But I like your thesis to potentially look to short up here because we're coming into the macro very bullish. So I want to see us trade down. I want to see us trade down into the macro so I can look to pick it back up. Y'all know what Justin looking to do. Y'all know what he looking to do. You like, yeah, you can pick it up down there, but I'm going to take it. I'm the person that you go pick it up from. Hell yeah, great job, ladies and gentlemen. You too, Micaiah. Like, I'm just giving you shit. You know how I get down. 80 and took 20 points. Nice. Looks like you should have stayed in. Don't listen to Hobbs. Hobbs is stupid. He gets euphoric, and when I see green candles, like, I don't believe anybody can fucking short. Great job, Chicago Sean. Excellent. Thanks. Possibly retest a previous day close at 20,052. Potentially. Shaking my head, blew my account, then just passed a new eval. My day is opposite of what I wanted. Were you short, JH Bull? Were you short at the lows? Just try to define that structural area, right? Like where you want to participate in price, you know? So if you're getting short down there at the lows, you're kind of asking for trouble. You re-entered? Okay. Just be careful. Yeah, because this is the first time the market's pulled back. So, yep. As soon as I see green, I'm getting it break even. Good enough. Good enough. Leave a runner at 86. Oh, nice. Saw weakness. Good. Yeah. Like again, you're a scalper, right? So like, if you see weakness, you should pounce. For scalpers, the part that I don't understand, for me personally, if I'm a scalper, why wouldn't I scalp in the direction of the strength? That's the part that throws me off about scalpers, because a lot of them, they'll wait till all of this bullishness comes down and they'll only scalp for that little quick 20 points to come down. When if they would have just got long at the area where they were getting out to scalp back up, that 20 points could have turned into 40, 60, 70, 80, because the market is truly trying to move up. Oh, your entry was just off on the longs? Okay, yeah, that's all right. Yeah, a lot of people scalp like that. I don't scalp. I mean, I did yesterday, but I mean, they were 50 point, 20 point scalps. But if I'm going to scalp, I'm going to scalp the market in the direction that the market's moving. So I think the first time we come into a supply zone, everybody wants to get short, right? Because we absorb that liquidity and we look aggressively bearish like right away, right? But the thing you got to think about is, okay, is this a retracement or a reversal? If it's a retracement, it could just go for a couple points, right? And then go right back up, right? If it's a reversal, then it's probably going to sweep the high before it comes down anyway. So that's one of the things I've just started, like, just allowing price to kind of play itself out before I look to trade it the opposite of the trend, right? So just try not to. Good, brother. Super weak, super weak. I agree with you. I think that the market in this area has a very, very high probability of selling down. And I'm betting on it. I'm betting on it coming down so I can long it back up, because I still don't think it's going bearish. I just think that it's an opportunity for a pullback. And YM looks very bearish. Great freaking exit, bro. Great exit. Loving it. Come on, yes, NQ sell down a little bit. Shit. Nope.
It waits for no man.
Okay, Micaiah says, I scalp both directions, but for whatever reason, I'm very good at scalping shorts and not so good at scalping longs. Okay, I can see that. I'm more of a bullish type of guy, but I got you. I also like shorts more because they tend to be more explosive moves than long. Yeah, I would agree with that. Bulls usually go up the stairs and bears go out the window. For whatever reason, I'm good at seeing the bearish activity. Yeah, that makes sense, Micaiah. Thank you for that explanation. That actually is very, very valid. I would 100% agree with that. It's just, for me, I like the structural reversals because I can identify it better. And I feel like the market sets up structurally much better to the bullish side when it's about to reverse. To your point, when it's going to go bearish, it just dumps so fast that I feel like I need to like hurry up and get an entry. When it's going the direction of the trend, it creates structure. Damn, gold took the fuck off. Dang. Oof. Gold got busy. All right, let's see what we do inside of this 950 macro. We came in bullish, which means we should be getting ready to leave this thing bearish. So Justin's obviously short. We can see it all on his face. So hopefully he cooks this thing.
I'm actually not short right now. I'm looking at NQ. I want to get short here, but they keep defending every single time we come down.
I'm not sure this shit. This
it's looking
scary.
Too bullish.
We actually came into the macro bearish on the 1 minute, guys. So maybe we leave this thing bullish. I just want a pullback into like the daily fib or something like that. Like somewhere in the 50% of that 15-minute candle is what I want to get long.
All right, I did get short in the 64s. Right when we failed, and we're coming down. So let's see.
Justin was short the whole time.
I was not short. I actually just got short. I actually
2 seconds later, after he just said I wasn't short, then he's like,
no,
by the way, I got short.
I really like that rejection right there. So I literally just got short. I literally just shorted the market right there.
Where's the stop the cap button? We got to stop the cap button.
No, I'm serious. I'm serious. I literally just got short, but I want to see us.
There it is. Stop the cap.
I'm serious, bro. I literally just got short. When I saw that failure the second time, I was like,
he said, actually,
it was a double top.
Short. Okay. All right, Buck.
Look, But
Godspeed.
I'm not liking what I'm seeing here, though.
I wouldn't either.
I'm going to break even.
Godspeed, motherfucker. He was looking at
it's about to take me out quick. All right.
It's like deja vu in this motherfucker. I swear to God.
Dang, all right. I got taken out for break even. They came back up
no shit. No shit you got taken out.
What? Look, we put in the lower high on the 1 minute. I was looking to see if we couldn't break this low here.
Bro, we did not.
I was hoping we was gonna break it, but we did not. So
you take the same trade every week, bro. It should be fucking hilarious. We just had a huge fair value gap form on the 15. Look at the 15-minute chart.
I know this, but what my thesis was that we would come back down at least to 206 before rallying back up.
So why not just take the bullish part? That's what I mean. You take the hardest thought process.
Why not try to short the market down to that area and then I'll reverse my position? I'll take both. Why limit myself? If I think the market's going to go lower,
taking the short hasn't worked out for you in like a month. That's why.
The shorts worked out yesterday perfectly.
I'm talking about when the trend starts going bullish. You short the top of the trend.
I know the trend is bullish, but if the market is going to come down lower to retest some of this area, I'll take a piece of that and then I'll take the piece back up. I ain't lose nothing by it. But I was also
no shit. I'm laughing hard as fuck.
I was also reading the microstructure as well. The microstructure we flipped. So exactly. I think it's coming down, but
hey, we'll Valdez, look at the Dow, Valdez, on the 5 minute.
It does look a little bit like price
every week, man. Y'all crack me up with this shit every week. It's like we this is literally like the market is on repeat. It's like maybe it's just me. It just feels like it's on repeat.
Well, I mean, the market's in my supply zone on top of that too, so
it's always in your supply zone. When we come back up, it's gonna get to your supply zone, 100%.
Yeah, 100%. So I tried to take the scalp down and then take the trend back up. It just didn't work out. It didn't fall. It's all good. It's a break-even trade.
Whip. So when we come down to the low, because we're at supply, are you not interested in taking the market long when we come back down to like when we come back down to 39 area, 40 area?
Or
is your target, like when you took that short, your target, I know it wasn't in the 19s, right? It had to be in the 20s, 20,000s, right?
Yeah, it was. I think I was targeting like 2011.
2011?
Yeah. Just back to where this last rip came from. Oh, well, damn.
It's the JOLTS report.
Yeah, I know.
There's 20,031. That's 50% right there. Let's see what happens right there.
Again, we'll keep rejecting that 76 level, but
there goes the Dow.
Rallied down and came back up. So we might.
Yeah, we got to get back above this high here before I do anything. I think there's a slight chance that the market could push through this, but
I think we're pumping from here because those sellers got trapped down there, but we'll see. Maybe we come back down one more time to retest these sellers down here at 49, but
gold selling the fuck off right now. Here comes the Dow. Here comes the Dow. I think we get one more push down. I'm gonna wait. I want to long this, but I'm gonna wait. Wait till this 15-minute candle closes. I want to see us be on the other side of. I want to see us be getting ready to take off and tapping back into some type of structure on the other side of this macro before I take it.
Yeah, ES is below. ES is below that level.
Oh, is it?
Well, it's not below it. It was below those buyers that came in. I think this thing's about to go though. We just retested those.
Yeah, I think
those
so too. It looks very strong. I'm trying to wait on time because I think we might sell down a little bit more before. I mean, freaking Dow is just not waiting, and that was like, bro, we're fucking out of here. Shut up. But I want to wait on time on this potential trade out of here. Gold is pushing down, which is very bullish for the ETFs.
Yeah, we're still supporting price down here too.
Damn, Dow, you just gonna do them like that? Dow said, fuck what y'all talking about. We out of here. I think it is too. We're both settlement too. I just can't get an entry right here. I wanted the low. I think I might miss it, even though it could take off. I just needed to come down just one more time back into this little. Come on, man, come back down, please, 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 please. There we go. Bring your ass back down here.
We just continue.
Yeah, we just keep buying it back up. Yeah. We got a little bit more time. Let's see. We got 7 more minutes. Maybe we'll toy around in this area first before we leave. I'm hoping we come down one more time, though.
We continue to support that big buyer that came in as well.
Freaking triple bottom down here too. Oh yeah, we about to go. See ya. Yeah. He said, "Oh nah." Yeah. He said, "Oh no, I'm not letting you leave here. Not here." Yeah, she gone. She gone. Yeah, this entry might haunt me, but I'm gonna wait until I want to see what we do on the other side of 1010. If I miss this entry, I'll be okay. But I think when we leave here, I think this is gonna be the go mode. Like I think we're gonna be in God mode after that. ES is already gone. Yeah, it's about to be go time. Fuck.
What was your entry, Valdez?
He got that what looked like the top at the time 10 points ago. Ooh, here we go. Come on. I mean, I'm not rooting against you about this. I just really want a better entry. Damn, ES is going for it.
Oh, if ES is going for it, NQ's going to go for it as well.
Sometimes.
I'm not. Not sometimes.
Yeah, he like, shut the fuck up, Hobbs. I mean, sometimes. I'm really just hoping for a better entry.
I think we built new demand here.
I don't think I'm gonna get it. That's fine.
Zoop. Might.
Yeah, see, we just can't get above that high. Yeah, see, we can't get above that high. And if we can't get above that high, then I'm looking at this a totally different way. Yeah, the 30-second looks kind of bearish.
Yeah, so does the 1 minute.
Every attempt to go higher is being fucking baptized by these bulls. Mm-hmm.
But there's a lot of selling going on. Damn, there we go.
Zoop, 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 zoop. All right, I'm gonna take longs right there. I like that.
Yeah. Every single dip is getting bought up.
Yeah, I'm long at 62.
Yeah, that was a lot of absorption that happened right where that buyer stepped in. Well, right there, that was the, yeah, that was a nice, yeah, that was the entry right there at 54. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good, fellas. We're looking good, fellas.
Mm-hmm.
We looking
just
good.
Take that
fellas.
high. Take that high.
We just need 100. We need to take 100 and we out of there.
Yeah, just take that fucking high and we go ham.
Yeah, we take 100 and we're out of there.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this either.
What the fuck just happened?
We are selling back down.
No, Top Step X just kicked me out of the trade. I'm glad because I took profit, but shit. What the fuck? Okay, thanks, Top Step X. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, that's fair.
Selling.
That is fair. Mm-hmm. I got out in profit, but damn. Mm-hmm.
Oof.
Whenever you see something you don't like, bro, just get out. You know, like it's all right. God damn, gold! Look at gold! Holy shit, gold is dumping! Holy shit! What the fuck happened to gold? Yeah, she swept the high of London, and now she wants to come back down. But if we hold this low here, though, I'm still interested. No. I'm not gonna take another entry. Not the way we just came down. Yeah, not the way we just came down. The way we came down, like, no, thank you.
Yeah, we just put in a higher low, and we just broke.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fight these bulls. I mean, these bears. They want to keep coming down. Let them come down. I still think we go higher, though. I'm just waiting. If I can get a better entry, then I'm good to go. But yeah, she looks like she wants to come down lower, so I'm just gonna be patient. if we brought the low right there on the other side of 1010, let's see what we do here. We should be getting ready to go back up here though. Let's see. We got 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Still looking very bearish. I think she wants lower, boys. She wants lower. What day was that when we rally? Was that Friday? We rally, and everybody was so bullish, and that shit dumped the rest of the day.
Yeah, that was Friday.
What the fuck? So I'm not trying to get caught up in that sauce. Like, nah. They're trying to push, but these bears are getting stronger here. Y'all fought for all of this just to take it back down? Ruthless. This market is so ruthless. Ain't no way we about to take this shit back down, right? We gotta go back up. It's law. Here they come. I don't know. These are the candles that go up and then they get fucking aggressively rejected. Yeah, I want to see that shit close. That's the candle that smoke people right there. So we'll see what's up. We put a nice double top in up there. We came down and slammed below this low, that buyer that came in. But now these bulls are looking to defend down here at the low again. Right on the last 30 seconds of this fucking 15-minute candle. So let's see if the market wants to go back up from here. I don't know. For me, it's just a little bit too dangerous. So I'm just going to stay hands off in this area because I think the market could be shifting character here to the downside, but I can't get a good read on it. So I'm just going to stay hands off right now. We're at the high, which means we should be looking to short the market, but the bulls are looking so strong at the lows that I'm really cautious about shorting the market, right? So it's just a really icky area for me. I'll just rather stay hands off. If it pushes out of here, I'll get more information out of the market. Right now, it's looking like a short still, but it also looks like a long. So that's why I'm hands off. And there's that rejection. Another lower high being put in. See what the market wants to do here at these highs. I think the bears are giving it their best shot right now. They're giving it the old heave-ho right now. Let's check in with chat.
The 5-minute candle looks really good to go push back up though. So even though we look bearish, that 5-minute candle is actually like really, really bullish.
So I'm just looking at the 1 minute. I'm seeing how we closed below that low. We immediately bought it back up, but then when we came up, we failed to go higher again, right? So like that to me is an official lower high being put in. And if the market gets below this low now, like it's gonna make a trip to the downside. I don't think it's coming back up for air. GC said, fuck y'all. Yeah, it definitely did. GC left the building. Said, we're out. We are out. No, thank you. I don't know what the market's trying to do here. I think we're trying to go short. Like usually when I can't figure it out, it's because we're trying to go short. So I was gonna stay hands off right now. Like we're looking bullish, but then we look bearish, and then we look bullish again. That's a higher low now on the 5, right? And on the 1, it looks super bullish. I mean bearish. So I don't know what the fuck the market's supposed to do. So I'm just gonna stay hands off. What?
Yeah, ES looking pretty bullish as well.
Mm-hmm. it's too back and forth up here for me. So I'm just gonna hold my horses. Every time we try to go bullish, the market dumps back down. Every time we go bearish, it pushes back up. So I think it's a short. Justin thinks it's a long. It's just consolidation right now. And we're nowhere near the next macro. So the 10-10 didn't really do anything that I wanted it to do. So just wait and see. Maybe Jerome Powell still speaking too. That could be it too.
It could be.
Anybody hear that Nvidia's headed to the Dow? That's gonna be interesting. Very, very interesting. You're usually right. Not the previous week high might be the target. Let's see. I don't know where we're trying to go from here. Oh, 19, like 115, like 19. Oh, 20,015 or 19,115. Oh, yes. I agree. I'm waiting on a Black Swan event to buy. I want that shit. I want that shit at like 50% off. That's what I want. It's just way too high for me. I'm like, nah, man, I'm not buying it here. Y'all motherfuckers ain't gonna dump on me. Again, looking really bearish at these highs, man. Hard to call right now for me. What's the take looking like, Jay?
Yeah. I mean, there's a little bit of a lack of buying up here, but I still think the market wants to push up from here.
ES definitely looks stronger on the 15 anyway. Definitely put in a higher low here. I don't know. I'm gonna stay hands up. I like it, but every time I think I like it, it just shows me something that I don't like, and I'm just like, get above this area, then maybe we'll talk. Because I think this area will be key moving forward. Maybe later we come back and retest this area. I'm just not liking the way it's forming as far as how I want to enter it. So I'm just going to stay hands off for now. We're not at a higher time frame demand, supply, nothing. I mean, we are at higher time frame supply, but these bulls just look ready to push out of this shit. So stay hands off for now.
Yeah.
Because look how aggressive they're coming right back down, man. Yeah, it's just hard. Like I said, it's just really difficult to call right here. I think it's a short. We're making lower highs on the wicks, you know, lower lows on that one push down, but then we're making a higher low here on the 15-minute at 10:15. So it's just when it starts to look like that, I just gotta stay hands off because I think the market wants down, right?
Well,
and when I get that inkling, it's just like, nah, I'm not fucking with it. I just let it do what it's gonna do. See, then when we come down to the low, look, watch how aggressive we get at the lows, right? So it's just like, to me, it's just trapping. It's trapping both sides right now. And I don't want to be caught in the trap when I don't have a good read on which way I think the market's trying to go.
Yeah, on the 5-minute, we look extremely, extremely bullish. Like we're just holding price up here, but
not to me. To me, it looks like we're putting in lower highs.
And we definitely are putting in a lower high here.
And that's not extremely bullish to me. I do like what we're doing at the lows, though. Like every time we come down to the lows, we're holding value. So like that I do like. It's just you have to get the proper entry or you're going to get baked, right? If you wait till the buying comes out of here and we keep rejecting the highs, you're going to get smoked, right? But if you can get the low, then you can risk the low. But I don't trust the low as much as I normally do when we're at the overall high. So like all of those things are like mixing in my brain. So I'm just like, nah, that equals no trade. So I'll just wait. There's more jobs opening for the JOLTS. Oh, is that the news? Oh, okay. Is that good or bad? More jobs. I feel like that's bad.
Might be bad.
No, that's good. That's bullish, right? Like that means unemployment should be. I don't freaking know. I don't know. It's too much to think about right now.
It's just interesting because ES is in like the same position, but ES is putting in a higher low here.
Yeah, for me, it's going to be a wait till 1050 because this feels like price acceptance and this shit could go on for another hour and then we fuck around and just sweep the low anyway before giving me my entry that I wanted. So I'm just going to wait till 1050. This looks extremely bearish to me now. Like it does not look bullish to me. I don't know. I'm just looking at the 1 minute. It looks like we're putting in a head and shoulders right now on the 1 minute. You see that?
I mean, I see the higher low. I don't see the head and shoulders though.
Look at the 2051.75. Just draw a line straight across there, and then the head is at.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah.
I like zoom in a little bit.
No, I was looking at the overall picture.
Yeah, I'm just talking about right here in this area where price is currently at. Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. And gold is going for a flush session. Not the best because it can create inflation. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, see, then we come back down to the low. We put that double bottom in. And now what are we going to do? Yeah, it's no bueno for me right here. I think we go down, but I don't trust it. So this is in my plan to look to short the market up here, but I don't trust the bears just yet. They just see every time we get to the lows, look how fucking bullish we look when we come down here. Jesus Christ, man.
Yeah,
I just can't trust it. Like it's so scary.
I'm trying to long down here just based on what
I think this is a good area to try along. Like I think this is a good area to try along. I'm just scared, honestly. Like I don't like I don't like enough of what I'm seeing, but I think it's a good area for sure.
I'm long
cautiously
at 31.
optimistic. Very nice. Very nice fucking entry. Beautiful entry. Just want to get above that high. I think if anything, this is the best area where your entry is the lowest amount of risk. So if it doesn't work out, like the market's gonna go lower, you know? So
yeah, exactly. Like here's my trade.
I was just scared to take it, to be honest with you. Let's go.
Yeah, I saw what I wanted to see on the tape down there, and we had the area double bottom, higher low, and then
when I saw that double bottom, you know me, I speak those double bottoms, and I don't take the motherfuckers. I'll be like,
we just got to get above this level here at 64. We get above 64, I think we rip.
That's beautiful, man. Good fucking entry, sir.
Thank you. See, I'm up about 20 points here on this trade. Oh, and they put orders below us too.
Let's get it.
Let's see if we can't hold this. Continue to rally up.
Fucking work, baby. Let's go to fucking work. Let's go take out Valdez.
Whoa. Oh, I'm looking at ES. I was like, whoa, ES and NQ look completely different right now.
They're both just holding right here. I think we're putting in demand right now, is what I think.
Definitely could be.
And if we are, the goal is going to be to go up. So let's see what happens. I really love your entry, though. I think that was the sauciest entry I've seen you take live in a while. I love it.
Well, we'll see if this holds.
And just lock in some profit. I mean, you got to be up 30 points right now. Move that stop to where it makes 18. Sense.
Yeah. I'll go ahead and go to break even.
Yeah, there's no reason. You know I mean, like we're in such choppy area. There's no reason that you have to prove yourself to this market by sacrificing liquidity. Fuck that shit. Protect yourself because of the chop, right? And when you ask yourself, like, was it a good thing to go to break even there? Yeah, I go to break even 9 times out of 10 when the market is choppy like this. It ain't respecting shit. It's searching liquidity. So if you want liquidity, you can have my break even, but you can't have, something that's gonna hurt me. Look at this shit.
Yeah,
aggressively look at the high. Yeah, like fuck that shit. Secure, protect yourself. And then now you don't have to worry about what the fuck is going on up at that high. It's just, you know what? If I don't like it, I take my profits. If I like it, I hold on to it. But I'm not losing anything on the trade.
Yeah. Because this is the level that's got to break.
That double bottom was powerful. I think if it's gonna do anything, it should go off this double bottom. But fuck, man, NQ just likes to play games.
Unless this is the range right here, and we're just
man, don't say that, Justin. Don't say that, bro. We cannot stay in this range all damn day, bro. Like, stop it. More jobs is bad means more money is being made, which means more spending. I mean. Good news is good news. Bad news is good news for this market. Like, they don't fucking care. They just keep buying. The VIX is at 1330 right now. Jesus.
We're just struggling up here. I would love to see like a big buyer just come in and just take all of this out.
Look at fucking Apple and Tesla, bro.
Are they going?
What in the fuck? What is happening to this tech
need
stocks
Nvidia
right now,
to go. Come on, Nvidia.
What the hell is going on right now? This is crazy. See, this is the type of trade I would have to go to break even and just walk away, because you're going to find so many reasons to sell this shit. And at the end of the day, like, you kind of right. So it's like,
it's like, why do you want to put my emotions?
But you know what? These motherfucking emotions is going crazy. Like, when I be walking away, like, that entry you just got, I'd be like, I'm going to break even. I'm walking away because I know I'm going to find a reason to sell this shit. Yeah. Meanwhile, ES is fucking case slaying on the 15-minute. But neither one of them has broken the high.
Yeah, I think we're about to go for it though. ES is above its high now, so I think NQ will get above.
That entry, bro. Don't you feel way more comfortable with that entry than fucking 20,044?
There's no way I was waiting for this candle to close. As soon as I
saw that's right.
I was like, yeah, we're good. When I saw that seller get ate up, I knew it was time.
Let's go. Body bagged him. Boom. Justin is in the building. That's my dog.
We'll see.
That's my dog. What's your target? The high?
First target's the high. What'd
you say there, Chicago Sean? Sorry, Justin.
No, go ahead.
Yeah. After we break a high, we do normally consolidate, but because we've been in such a strong range, Chicago Shine, it's hard to trust whether or not we're going to go back down, right, from the top of the range, right? So when we're consolidating, it's good, but it could be distribution preparation. Today, it looks like we're consolidating as price acceptance to go higher, which is what Justin was banking on. I just didn't trust it. I liked it. I just didn't trust it. So Justin took a really good entry. He's up about 200 ticks right now, fucking about to hit his profit target. So let's get it.
Yep. Almost there. I'm looking to sell the majority of my position up here.
Nice. Make sure you take that picture now so we see that progress very quick. I mean, I don't want to distract you though, so. Absolutely, man. We try to help where we can, and You know, if you like what you see, stick around. If not, no hard feelings at all. Just come back to the YouTube for the freebie. You know what I mean? We're going to continue to teach, you know? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Anytime, bro. Let's go, Justin. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. That's the motherfucker. Right. That's my dog right there.
I just sold 3 there. I got 2 left. So
nice.
Don't Tesla like that rejection.
Going for it. Jesus. Mary and Joseph.
That was what, 70? Or no, that's 50 points, basically. 50 points for the first 3. So see what we do the rest of it.
Cook them, Justin. Cook these motherfuckers.
Yeah, now I feel good. I can honestly.
Man, you're good, bro. They don't feel bad. The entries, bro. Entries save lives, bro. They save lives.
They do save lives.
They save lives.
Yeah, I just don't know if we're gonna break this high or not. So I'd rather just take off the majority right there.
I agree. I think that's really good trade management. Like you're taking care of what you can control right now, as opposed to worrying about what the market can or can't do. Your job has been completed because you control your risk.
Exactly.
So that's awesome. And what you were able to handle, right? So I think we're breaking out and we're gonna go push for 304 and take out Valdi today.
304.
Oh, you don't think we go at 304? Doubt me, Justin. Go ahead, doubt me right now.
My ultimate target right now is 135 because I think we can go all the way.
Doubt me right now, Justin.
I think the market has enough leg to get up to 246. Honestly, like that would be where I think we would go. But I mean, I got to take some profit here. But if we break this supply zone, I definitely could see us going first to 175.
So the way I'm looking at it is based off the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So if NVIDIA can get off his ass and start pushing, I think that the market put in look at the 1 hour inverse head and shoulders, bro. Like, look at how beautiful the inverse head and shoulder is on the 1 hour.
Oh, I know. I saw, bro. I was looking at that. And
the 1 hour is so fucking pretty. Like this shit is so fucking textbook on the 1 hour. Like, look at this shit. This shit is textbook right here.
Even this 1 hour candle that we're on right now is just a pullback. It looks like we want to go higher. So we'll see.
So like if that's the case, then the target has to be 273 and then 304, right?
Yeah.
Because that's the natural progression of price. So like when I say these weird levels that y'all be laughing at me, like that's how I'm looking at it. Now the market could catch resistance 100% at 117, anywhere inside of this candle, right? Like, I see all of that. But once these bulls get going, and when I start to see the market start to agree, the only one that's stopping the party right now is NVIDIA. If NVIDIA gets on board and starts going bullish, like 304, 305 is definitely in the cards today.
So I definitely don't disagree with you there. Looks like we're gonna try to break out here, go for another high of day test. See if we can break this high a day.
Let's go, Justin. Fucking print, baby.
Holding on to these runners. Hopefully, that was a little bearish. Yeah, we got to get above these highs.
Hey, Justin, just zoom out and watch the 1 hour candle.
Bro, I'm on the 1 hour. The 1
hour
I'm
like, bro,
I'm looking at the 1 hour.
Bro,
the 1 hour looks beautiful.
This shit, push. Let's go.
Yeah, the 1 hour looks gorgeous right now. Yeah.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. Obviously be careful. Use your own risk management style. We're not telling you to hold on because we were 100% sure it's going to 300. That's my target. But if you know me long enough, my targets are egregious every day, right? So manage your risk or manage your trade the way you see fit, right?
Yeah, right now I'm looking at, as long as we're above the 70, I'm good. As long as we're above 70s. Because I mean, again, we're just struggling at these highs. Let me go ahead and move this up. I'm going to secure 150 on these last 2 cons and then see what we do from here. Because this high at daybreak is just so crucial. Like, we need to break over these highs. I think if we can't break over these highs, we could end up going lower. So right now, everything's looking good. Even from like a trend line perspective. Everything's looking pretty good here. See, would love to push these highs right here and just fucking get it over with.
That's the emotions right there. Just get over the high already.
I know. Just do what you're gonna do. Get over the high. Like, let's go. Come on now.
Like, stop fucking with my P&L and get above the fucking high. Let's go. It's gonna get there, man. It's gonna get there.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to get there.
It's just the high is also a psychological level, right? It's 20,100.
That too. That too. And we came up here the first time. We was struggling like a mug to get over that. Yeah, they got about 88 orders sitting at 2,100, 20,100, and then 20,110. So.
Oh, ES is above the high almost. Yep.
Oh, is it?
ES trying to push above the high.
Hopefully,
it's right at it. Like it's like a point of. It's like a point away from the high. What a feel! Let's go. Let's go.
That was Baldy.
Hopefully that's profit taking and not entering at the high, motherfucker.
Yeah, it looks like we're struggling up here.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue to trust this 1 hour candle. I think the market could push above this.
Yeah,
but it might not do it until 1050. That's the only.
We're just consolidating up here, like heavily consolidating.
No, ES is like right at it. It's like literally a tick away. There's the high. Okay, ES just took the high. ES just took the high just now.
We need to. It needs to take it and continue, though. We don't want to see this fail.
Yes. ES just took it, but it needs to continue. It just put it a new high a day, but it came right back down. So, yeah, I think we're waiting on the macro to hit before we take the high. So if you're in the trade, be careful up here because the 1 minute looks like we're potentially getting ready to sell down a little bit, but we're holding above previous day high right now, which is very.
Right now we are consolidating heavily. I think they're really trying to push us. If they can get this, we're gonna go. But if they can't, then we're gonna flush.
Yeah,
we'll see. Either way, like you always say, risk is managed. I can't. I'm walking away with 150,
managed, no matter what,
with those last two runners. So it don't matter what the market does at this point.
That's all you can control, right? Like your risk is managed. So like everything else should be noise to you. It's like, I mean, it does look, it is concerning when you see your P&L go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. But that's just how the market moves. So either get used to it or just stop watching it, you know?
Yeah. And at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. Like
no,
the market,
it doesn't.
the
market can't take. And the market can't take what you've already accepted.
Bro.
Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly.
Oh, boy. There it was.
Oh, doggy.
Oh, this thing is going.
Oh, buddy.
I
see you. So everybody in except Hobbs, huh? Okay. All right. Everybody in except Hobbs, huh?
We gotta, this is the bunking Bronco right here, bro. Okay. This shit moving and grooving.
Yeah, fuck that, man. You just gotta get in when you see it coming. You know what I'm saying? You see that shit coming, you just gotta get nice.
In. But we gotta hold this though. We do not want to see this fail. Yeah, that rejection was a little bit dirty, but as long as we hold though and continue, we got to break 110 now. 110 is the next level that we got to break. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up now to
I'm gonna go grab something to eat, man.
All right,
I'll be back.
Where did you get in?
I'll be back.
Oh, of course he has. I know. He probably in with like 2 whole minis right now on the 100K account. Yeah. Everybody making money but me. Yeah, all right. and you know his profit target is all the way up at the 300s. I'm looking for whatever price ES gets to at 5544. That's the price I'm looking to take profit, just because it's the only real other level, the area that I have. If this doesn't knock me out, but it's looking like it's gonna. It looks. Oh yeah, we're again failing at these highs. That's the only problem. We continue to fail to break these highs and continue going higher. Like, we just broke the high and then we immediately failed, but we have this consolidation. So let's see if we hold it. My stop is at 76. So well, there's a lot of selling going on at this low. I'm hoping we eat this up and then we continue going higher, but we'll see. Yeah, there's a ton of selling going on at this low. If this does not get rewarded in this consolidation, then hopefully we'll push up and hold this consolidation to go higher. Yeah, call that garage. Ooh, all right, I got taken out right there. We just ran that low. Yeah, I just got tapped out right there. There's like a $400 trade right there, so not bad. 40 points like total. Again, just struggling to get above that high is the problem. The 1 hour delta on the 9 a.m. candle was plus 75K. The current 10 a.m. candle has a delta of plus 756. Yeah, bulls are definitely in control here, but they're just really struggling to get above, to hold above the high and continue pushing higher. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. But I'll take that. That I was a little bit red on the day, and now I'm back to being green. So I will take that all day long. Double bottom, right on the 50% of the of a previous swing, and it was a VWAP bounce as well. Yeah, I'll take that all day, all day, all day. Oh, and by the way, the shorts came right down to the level that I thought they were going to come down to. Just as a side note, the shorts did pull back to where I thought they were going to pull back to.
Yeah, but you couldn't hold them because they was too choppy.
Yeah,
just as a side note. That's why you cut that shit.
That's true. That's true. They did not come
the
down.
The question wasn't whether or not they would work. The question I asked was, why wouldn't you take the easier trade? Is what I asked.
Yeah, I mean, it would have taken like about
the one that you could actually hold.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like we're about to come down though. Again, we cannot maintain the high.
You just can't get out higher. I got chopped out for 128 ticks right there.
Yeah, I got
I knew we were gonna come down inside of this fucking macro.
Yeah, I have 40 points right there, so I'm not mad at that.
This was so funny watching in the trade because I've been in the trade. I'm sitting there like, bro, relax, we good. But your entry was for sauce. I was like, this motherfucker got a better entry than me. Now I'm upset.
Yeah, as soon as I saw that, I saw a massive seller come in and we ate him up. I was like, yep, I'm long. I was like, that's all I need to see. Double bottom, massive seller. Yeah, I'm good. But now we're coming back. We still cannot. We just can't break above this high. Like, we are continuing to hold. I think this is one of those things where we will come down eventually, but it's going to be very hard to time.
I don't think we're coming down. I think we're going up. We're coming down because we're still in liquidity to go higher.
Yeah, that could be true too.
I don't think we're coming back down. Not today.
Not today, Satan. Not today. Let's see.
Especially that candle. We usually get that candle before we rock this shit. You see that 15-minute close? That inverted hammer candle?
Yeah.
That's usually the trap candle where a lot of retail traders will get short at the close of that candle because they'll think it's a good sign to go short, and then they just get murdered. They get slaughtered. I've watched that candle happen so many times on the 15-minute. Because they see all of that they see all that bearish activity come in, and they're instantly bearish, and it's like, all right, now we can take them out. And this is when the market starts to speed up because it starts to trap retail.
Yeah, it's just at this point, it's very hard for me to get long.
I can't do anything up here. I'm not touching this shit until we make a move. See, they baptizing everybody that's playing breakouts. You get long, they coming all the way down to your entry. You get short, they go all the way up to your entry. This is a perfect inverse head and shoulders right now on the 1 minute. Like, this shit looks fucking textbook. But again, like the bears just can't break down price. So every time we look so bearish, watch how fast we fuck around and come right back up. Or maybe we don't. Hopefully we don't. I'll be happy to see that.
Yeah, this is definitely difficult.
All right, boys, if you're long, careful here. Trading down into this 1050 macro. You want to see us you want to see us trading down into the macro, but you don't want to see us break a low before we do so. We're doing the same consolidation bullshit. This is the same setup we just looked at just now, down there at the lows. Same setup. You just got to sit through all of this bullshit to decipher NQ. But once it takes off, man, our entry was the entry. I wasn't holding through this shit. I was like, nope.
Hell no, not the high. Not when we break the high and come back below it.
It's the high right now, but at the end of the day, we could be like, bro, we was long at 32.
Yeah. That always happens.
But it's tough. It's tough to hold through this shit. I'd rather just say I took profit and I was long at 32 and I got out at 67. You know what I mean? Like I took a 40 point, 30, 40 point trade. Like that happened. What could have happened is a bunch of things, Yeah.
I mean, all I really need is like one more. If I can find an opportunity for one more 30-point trade, I'm good on the day.
Yeah. I just need one nice little 50-point banger.
Or I'll take 50 points too. Shit, I was going for 100, but I still think we could get it. But
bro, I think this thing's gonna print. Anytime I see all of this choppiness happen, it usually means that on the tape there's a ton of selling going on up through here. Like the CVD is probably massively red, right? And then
it's green today.
Even better. But there's a lot of selling at the high though, right?
Yeah, I mean there's a lot of buying going on at the high. More so, but there's immediate rejection happening as soon as we get there. So
see, this is what you don't want to see if you're bull. You usually don't want to see us trade into that 1050 macro bullish.
Yeah, we're getting really bullish right here, and then immediate rejection. This level right here is key. Where the fuck? Why? Where? For what?
Market's just super struggling at these
times. Here we go. That was a ton of buying that just came in. We just filled some liquidity again. Okay, so more people are trying to get out of their position at 100, which is interesting. But it looks like we're about to go test 110 here. Let's see. Did ES break above its high yet?
See what this macro has to say.
ES still hasn't broke above its high.
Yo, this is
man. That's a
big.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I want us to break this high, but Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we gotta just go up. We gotta go up, and then I might just be done on the day. I'm very content with where I am. I don't mind trading one more day to get what I need, but I'm approaching the end of this 100K account, and I don't want to fuck it up. So. Market has been very, very kind to me this week. So I'm more inclined to just walk the fuck away than to put any more risk on the table. Just how the price action's moving, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're just so choppy.
We're really choppy up here, but I think that goes to the fact that it's probably more price acceptance than it is of actual.
Yeah, because we're feeling
lower.
The chop is basically a result of us going up and down and up and down and up and down, feeling liquidity and then buying all dips.
Yeah,
but damn, the selling is just so aggressive when it comes down. Like, it kind of fucks up your entry criteria. You know, if you don't get the absolute low, you're suspect to getting stopped out for minimum profit. So it's almost better to just scalp it. You know, get 20 points at a time, because I could have got 20 points 3 or 4 different times right here if I just scalped it for 20 points. Not the best because okay, more jobs is bad, means more money. Okay, the 1 hour delta on the 9 a.m. candle was 7,400. Current 10 a.m. candle has delta of plus 657, so the volume is dried up significantly. I mean, that's to be expected. I just think that's more so due to the fact that there's just not a lot of participants right now in the market, which is why the volatility index is so low as well. So, but you know, we all have our thesis. Good morning to Crucial One. This 1 hour candle closes above the 9 a.m. candle. Expect continuation. 9 a.m. candle, basically the pre-market high. Yeah, I mean, I was expecting a continuation. I just couldn't hold. I got stopped out in profit, so I'm not mad at it at all. Yeah, I think if this is gonna take off and go to 300, I'm probably gonna walk away because it's gonna send me on tilt. Not tilt, like minor tilt. You know what I mean? Like, it's levels to tilt, and I feel like this one would send me on a minor tilt. I'd be like,
a minor tilt.
Like, I would just be annoyed. Like, damn, I missed that whole move. But I didn't miss the whole move, though, right? Like, that's what I gotta remind myself, is that I didn't miss the whole move. Like, I captured profit on the day. Like, I'm up significantly on the day, you know, and green another day, right? Like, and that's, again, back in the day, you know, like, the hard work is starting to pay off, because there were streaks where I was just going red, blown account, red, blown account, right? And now, like, I'm putting together streaks of green. And eventually those streaks are just building my confidence that tells me when I start trading my funded account again, there's no reason why I shouldn't put together the same streaks if I'm taking the same trades. So the 4 hour looks absolutely phenomenal, by the way. The 4 hour looks 4 hour. You just shut up. Nobody asked you shit. I knew I should have went to break even and walked away. I knew it. Yeah, I went to break even and I walked away, but I just started thinking, like, what if it comes all the way back? What if it comes all the way back? What if it comes all the way back? That's all I kept thinking. Damn. I said it too, didn't I? I said
it's a rally-based rally.
That shit stopped me out damn near at the freaking tick too. What you say, Jay?
I said the 30 minutes rally-based rally.
Beautiful, man. Anybody still bearish? Yeah. Anybody still looking to short this shit? I'm just.
It stopped me out. It stopped me out pretty close to the tick as well. Actually, it was pretty close. We dipped down a little bit lower, and then we ran. But
I don't know if anybody's still short. I heard a lot of people talking that short shit this morning, and I was just laughing because I was like, "Bro, y'all act like we ain't never been here before. Like, we keep seeing the same pitch, and y'all motherfuckers keep wanting to short this shit." Huh? Okay, all right.
Yes, it's still sending. Yes, actually, damn, man.
Nah,
from where we took that. No, I know, but from where we took that original long at.
Oh no, we wouldn't have got stopped out on ES.
We would have been fucking straight. We would have been.
Well, that's why I told you, like, that's the biggest difference from ES and NQ, where the entry is so important on NQ because the NQ will stop hunt your ass. ES, you can take the same entry and not get stopped out, right? And the Dow is just looking like a crackhead today. I don't know what the fuck going on with that thing. I'm good. I took my one trade over there and was like, I'm straight.
You sound like a crackhead.
It just looked weak. It just doesn't. It's just not getting any movement. You know, I call it out when NQ doing that bullshit, so I gotta call it out when the Dow doing it too. You're not exempt.
Yeah, I think we're structurally speaking, NQ is rocket shipping. It's about to be, we're about to go.
Fellas, I think that's it. I think that's it.
Took wife to work. What did I miss? You missed a lot. We're about to hold this level. We just broke over 110 and flipped it. We're about to hold 110 and then continue going higher probably. If you look at the tape, they flipped 110. Here it goes. Yeah, the 30 minutes rally-based rally.
Who's still in this trade right now so I could be upset with them? Chicago Sean, you riding this shit?
He got funded. Leave him alone. He a funded trader.
Okay, good. He like, bro, don't talk to me. I'm funded, bro. Chill out. Relax. Don't at me, brother. Don't trader. He like, bro, like you put some respect on my name, bro. Don't talk to me like that. I love it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Work is paying off.
Woo. All right, let's
so excited to review.
Down.
Like I'm more excited. Oh, here comes the Dow. I'm more excited to review than I am to like be like even in the least bit concerned with how much I'm up on the day. Like I'm just so in love with the growth that we're having, man. I'm fucking loving it. Loving it. I'm loving it.
What are you, McDonald's?
Hey, man. Relax, bro. Relax.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Uh-oh. Justin's got new news. What you got, bro?
No, I just realized that all we did was we took that double bottom up, and then we came back and retested the neckline of the double bottom, found buyers, and then ran. Son of a bitch.
It's just hard in the moment, though. Like
it is hard in the moment.
You just look. They make it look so bearish. You be like, "Oh my god, it's coming for me," and you want to, practice proper risk management. There's nothing wrong with that. No. It's
definitely fine. But just like hindsight being 2020 is like, oh shit, like
when you go back and review it,
all we literally did was just test the fucking neckline. Like maybe next time when I see a double bottom, I go ahead and get out half my position at the high because I think that was the right decision. But then I just leave the rest to break even.
You leave the rest to break even.
Neckline.
Yeah, and that's why I say like having more contracts is the key, because if you're trading 5 or 8, taking off 3 or taking off 5 and leaving 3, the 3 really don't matter. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like that's why I'm slowly just working my way up to 8. But I mean, the progress that I'm making right now, like I'm good, bro. Like I'm just blessed. I'm just feeling really blessed right now.
Yeah, the 5 micros took care of actually the 3 micros that I had took care of my 1 loss, and then the last 2, I took a really small loss in the trade, which I probably shouldn't have. I should have gone to break even, and then that would have been a nicer little win. But it's all good though. I'm not upset about it at all. But yeah, right now, I mean, I feel like there's absolutely nothing to do. Like,
no, not all the way up here. Not until this market comes back down for a retest, but I think we're about to send even further. This shit is looking super bullish, and the Dow's starting to catch up too. Moving stocks. Oh, did you finally get in? Oh no, that's iBomb. Sorry, I thought Micaiah. I know Micaiah's been a bear. He said I'm in 2030. Nice entry, brother. Nice entry. Moving stops to 2094. Very nice. Very nice. We just created a fair value gap on the 1 hour. Let's go.
Yeah, we just retested 110 and held it, 110 and held it really nicely. So maybe we continue to move up, but I'm not longing it this high.
Couldn't help but notice those beautiful 50% bibs you got on your chart there, Justin.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
It's keeping
great
me
review
alive
last night too.
Oh,
I thought your review was really structured, and sometimes that's what I feel like recording myself does for me, because I want to keep it in a time window, so it kind of like helps me to get to the point, right? And that was a really good review.
Yeah, really my initial idea did not work to use StreamYard, so I just used OBS. It worked out a lot.
That was OBS?
Yeah, that was OBS.
Oh, I didn't even realize it.
Yeah.
Oh, because you were able to switch scenes and get the audio. Oh, nice.
Yep.
That's nice.
Yeah, I was switching scenes on their ass. Bop, 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 bop. I was like a director. They didn't know what hit them.
Cut them up. Man, I'm ready to go, bro. We good. Hey, look.
Yeah, ain't much else to do. We just
ain't nothing else to do, bro. I'm not gonna just sit here and talk to y'all. I love y'all, but I got shit to do. My other car needs to go into the shop today, so I gotta go get the oil change and all that good stuff. Wifey's about to make a trip out of town, so I want to make sure she's safe and all that stuff. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's an early day, right? And we're trying to keep it this way, right? When we get done trading, hey, if y'all want more info, join the crypto shop. Join the trader shop Discord, man. And if we get into other trades, we'll let you guys know in there. But our job here is done. The pre-market plan worked to a motherfucking T. It was absolute sauce. So if you just did nothing else but long the market based off the pre-market plan, you got paid today. So that we give out for free in the YouTube channel for now. When we do raise the prices on the Discord, the pre-market plan will be taken away from the YouTube channel, except for members on the YouTube channel. So if you're interested in joining the Discord, man, the price is low right now. Go ahead and jump in there. As the journey gets stronger, as we get stronger as traders, the price will go up in price. So if you're struggling, join. If not, hey man, just continue to rock with us on YouTube, and we appreciate the love and support. As far as my trading day, I took 4 trades and I lost on 2, and then the other 2 were absolute bangers. So my losses are so minimal that it's like they never even happened. So just getting better at risk management, getting better at trusting myself, and then loving the growth of the entire everybody around me, man. I'm just loving it. So Justin, final words.
Yeah, I took 3 trades on the day. I take 3. Yeah, I took 3. I had 1 loss, 1 break even, and then 1 win. So all in all, really good. My 1 loss my 1 win was 4 times bigger than my loss. So yeah. I mean that's all you can really do, right? Like, it's okay to lose. You just gotta make sure that your winners are bigger than your losers. So yeah, that's all I really got.
He's like, that's it, bro. That's it. I got nothing else. But all right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tapping in with the shop, with the trader shop. Please make sure you tip the barbers on your way out, aka hit the like and subscribe button, so you get notified every time we go live or put out a video. But I'm ready to grind tomorrow. I hope you guys bring your game faces on, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. My name is T Hobbs. That guy is Jay Seals. This is the Trader Shop. We'll see you tomorrow, man. Peace. Make sure I actually end the stream today.
Yeah, because your ass